I will show you how to generate these images for free. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an incredible platform that has been a game changer for me. Styler AI. Styler AI is a fantastic website that takes creativity to the next level. As content creators, we're always on the lookout for tools that save time and elevate our work. Let's start. Search the Styler AI. Click the link. First of all, sign up to site. Click the New Project. Select Text to Image. Choose Realistic Image. I pass the prompt. You want create another prompt, use ChatGPT. Check description. Click Stylize. Now processing images. Wow, this images is very crazy. Now download this images. You want two images, select. Click Place on Canvas. Right-click and save the image. Now downloading image.